No, because these are moving. Let's do this first. Here and here.
Okay.
And you can, here.
Okay.
So you're capping him here.
Right.
He can't go up.
Right.
So you push here. Now you see, feel that power.
Yeah. I have to keep this on.
Yeah.
My elbow.
Yeah.
Shoulder.
Has to always sink into the waist.
Now you see here.
Yes.
So go like this. Yeah, that's it. Only move here. Yeah. Can you see that power?
Yes.
Yeah. Before you were doing it, doing it here and here.
I was popping up.
Yeah. No, still not there.
Now you're
Yeah.
popping
Go. Yeah.
It's better.
And the shoulder is still moving.
Shoulders kind of.
Yeah. Shoulder has to.
Yeah.
I have to sink it down.
Yeah.
You're literally doing this.
Yeah.
It's got to be this.
Yeah.
The shoulder has to.
It's the easiest thing, right? But it cannot be done.
Right.
You think about it, it's very easy, but it's just so counterintuitive, your body will not do that. So now the reason I'm showing you this is because you have to find two pairs of this. The reason the reason it does not work on you, it's hard, is because you only have one pair. When you have one pair, there is nothing. When you push here, this is moving, this whole thing is wobbly. So you cannot control it. So now we need another pair. So this one, there is power here locking it. So this is called yin is rooted in yang, yang is rooted in yin. So one move causes something, and whatever that causes is locked up by another pair. So now, you touch here, you see, go behind me, Jimmy, and touch my hip, and the shoulder behind, there. So when I want to do this here, just touch, don't use anything. When I want to do this, see this moves, because he's stronger than my own body. So this time, can you see? My shoulder went to my quad, and it does not move anymore, but it has no action, not enough power, this here, not enough. So now look at my front knee. It pops backward, that backward one. Now do you see that?
Right.
See this? Can you see this here? Right. The knee pops here, it pushes power up here, locks the shoulder. It locks the shoulder. Can you see that?
Yes.
So it's interlocking. But when this power goes to the shoulder, then you have an intention, the shoulder cannot pop, the energy has nowhere to go. It goes out of your elbow. So it's using two to force one out. This foot in front, bend it hard. That's it. That's enough. See, now, when you go a little bit, you feel that?
Right.
I'm strong.
Right.
So now, imagine it cannot go up, and we're all on this line.
Right.
And when you pull the knee back, hold his quad. It cannot move backward. Only the knee. Can you feel that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It has nowhere to go.
Yes.
It went throughout your body to the rear foot. It cannot move. It comes back. And you just sit there. Your knee is like a trigger, just a little bit. When I'm too strong, you pull your knee back a little bit. So now this time you hold it first before we do anything. Now bend your knee. Enough so you can do this.
Right.
And when you do that, you cannot pop your back.
Right.
And you wait for me, and just use your structural power until it does not work anymore.
Right.
Can you see? Until it does not work anymore.
Right.
Now pull back. You see? Yeah, you feel.
Right.
Now put one hand here for him to feel. If it pops, you can feel it.
Right.
And stay there. Don't move, so that if you push, you can feel his hand.
Right.
You feel that.
Right.
It's like there's absolutely no way I can
Right.
push it.
Right.
Because it just comes back to myself. So in the future, you look for this here. So I go side, no, not that much, so that you can see here. So that we're not really fighting, just stay there.
Okay.
Just everything is locked.
Okay.
Only move here a little bit. No, locked. Okay. Everything is locked. Only move here with me. No. Only move, yeah. As we do this here. Now when I do this here, I'm doing this for you to map this with here.
Okay.
So this is going to be done opposite there.
Okay.
So as I do this here, so now you lock it, pull it. So at the beginning, when I do this here, you're just using this to find your rhythm. And so, there, pull. And the power comes from here, pulling
I
back.
still feel like I'm pulling back here though.
Because you moved a little bit. So that's why in all the moves, can you see we all do this? The front quad moved.
Right.
By the time your front quad does not move, now you touch me here. And here. We all move like this.
Right.
You feel this here? You feel?
Right.
But it does not move.
Right.
You feel that?
Right.
So this pair is hidden. This is the expression. So the real power is here. This is what your opponent will feel. So in the future, when we're in a wrestling mode, let's say here, even here, you look at my front foot. So can somebody come here, touch here, and a knee. Yeah, and stay behind a little bit. Right on top of the kneecap.
Right on top of the kneecap.
Kneecap, not here. No, kneecap.
Okay.
Yeah. You see the strength there? Lock. Watch here. Sorry. Lock. That's good. See here. And that move feels only like a little bit of a grip. It does not even feel like a movement. It's like you're here, stuck. You feel that feeling.
Right.
It does not slip, that's all. It's just a little bit of tension.
Right.
There's virtually no movement. So that's the pair. So now, watch the pair. Power is going to come out of here. It's from here. Can you see that? You wobbled sideways. It has to be inside the slot. You cannot come out of the line. Yeah, you turn too much. So watch me. Stand here. No, stand here. Yeah, watch. From here to here to here. If you go like this, it's lost. Can you see? It's all here.
Okay.
It's all here.